The Milky Way may have millions of planets suitable for life, and there may be dozens of planets in the universe. Many theorists believe that there could be intelligent life on at least some planets, and even species more advanced than humans. In science fiction, we imagine aliens flying at the speed of light and living in superhuge cities and space-sized buildings. These imagined empires describe the most advanced civilization in the universe. But if there really is a super-advanced civilization, how do they maintain their social system? And how powerful are they? For any civilization, energy is one of the biggest driving forces of progress. Now, artificial intelligence has unleashed a period of rapid development and promoted wisdom and key innovations. The increase in energy consumption is related to the development of production efficiency and society. In various fields, energy is an important driving force for progress. Therefore, we will classify civilization based on the total energy consumption of civilization. This range was proposed by Russian astronomer Nikolai Kaldashvili in 1964. He wanted to know how strong the signal from outer space is to reach devices on Earth through the experiment of wireless radio waves. In addition, what kind of civilization can produce such a strong signal wave? Based on this question, Nikolai designed the famous Kalashnikov index. The index will divide advanced civilization into 3 types. As for the description of these 3 types, the captain has already made a key introduction in previous videos. I will not repeat the explanation again. As we know, humans are the only advanced civilization, but we are far from being the most advanced civilization in the universe, far from reaching the highest level of the Kalashnikov civilization index. Compared to second or third level civilizations in theory, humans are still a very young species and trying to develop wisdom. According to philosopher Carl Sagan, human development can be classified as the Kalashnikov Index 07, but we can reach the first-level civilization in the next centuries. According to optimistic predictions, humans are moving towards advanced systems of human evolution and development. For example, the first type of civilization may have a common communication system like the internet today. A common system promotes the rapid transmission of knowledge and promotes cultural and scientific progress in things. Therefore, humans are progressing, but still face many challenges. For example, the environmental problem has already threatened life on Earth. If we want to continue to survive and reflect, we must solve this problem. The Egyptian civilization might have completely dominated the Earth, controlling the climate, eliminating wind and tornado. The Egyptian civilization could also use various types of energy, such as volcanic energy and nuclear fusion. Humans might need several centuries, or even more, to reach these critical points and eventually become an Egyptian civilization. But if there is another object in the universe that has reached the highest level of the Kalashnikov index, what will happen? Next, let's speculate and imagine that if a species called the false ditch species of the Yellow Empire in China contains tens of billions of star systems in the distant star system, the Yellow people not only have the ability to travel in space, but also have the ability to surpass the wisdom of species and have developed to the level of the third-level civilization. They have conquered most of their star systems and used the energy of thousands of stars to transform into the most advanced civilization of this star system. Just like humans today, the yellow-eyed man was once restricted to one planet. Over time, they used all the energy of their mother and began to use the theoretical structure to collect energy directly from space, like the Dyson ball. The Dyson ball is a conceptual giant object that is composed of huge structures that revolve around the star and capture all the energy of the star. These huge energy collectors can also be used as a residence, allowing millions of creatures to live around their mother. To develop from a level 1 civilization to a level 2 civilization, the people of Yellowstone built their own Dyson sphere in the center of their solar system, using a star to obtain most of the energy. This gigantic project is far beyond anything we can accomplish today. But for a higher level civilization, the Dyson sphere may be within reach. Any species that can create a gigantic project in the universe may have mastered space travel. They may be able to fly in high-efficiency spacecraft using advanced propulsion systems between planets and planets. These systems may be similar to the theory of quantum engines and nuclear fusion propulsion engines, and are believed to be able to generate the energy and propulsion necessary to carry out space travel. They have such powerful flight technology that civilizations like the Yellow Turban people can effectively obtain resources from distant planets, satellites, and small planets. They can move to other planets and transport resources and high-efficiency residents to build more Dyson sphere structures in each new system, use more energy, and influence different areas in the star system. Such power of advanced civilization may be far beyond our comprehension. They can solve extremely complex problems and design a technology that confuses even the greatest human scientists. For centuries, the civilization of the Yellow People may have experienced many innovations that accelerated their physical and technological evolution. Biotechnology and artificial intelligence may have led to the fusion of organic and control theory. The Yellow People may have combined their brains with artificial intelligence to form an integrated global society and concentrated their intellectual resources on a collective consciousness. To form a whole, the Yellow People may use a way of thinking and acting that is beyond individual thought to achieve more advanced communication and problem solving, and they can overcome the major obstacles of the development of interstellar civilization, such as travel speed restrictions. According to Einstein's theory, because it requires infinite energy, even if the object can approach the speed of light, the journey across the galaxy takes several years and takes hundreds of thousands of years to cross the galaxy. Similar to the venerable Feynman detector, which can explore the distant horizontal system. These detectors can be dropped on distant planets and satellites, using local resources to build factories and create more detectors and other robots. Just like the virus spreads in the body, a detector can produce several copies of the entire galaxy. Some detectors can create maps and collect data, while other detectors can occupy planets or to be assembled around the stars. Some of these detectors can help them discover other forms of life and explore species like humans. A more hostile empire can destroy them before the young civilization has the ability to space. But the goal of the Yellow People is to cultivate a variety of life in the universe. Therefore, the detectors will sleep on satellites or nearby planets until the new species reaches the level of the Calder-Sifus index. Imagine a space probe hidden in the solar system of human survival and patiently waiting for our evolution and expansion. When the Yellow Man's probe collects information and finds new species, they will send the data back to a huge supercomputer similar to Tower's brain in Russia. Although we have made many assumptions about the classical theory of Kalashnikov, these assumptions exist in pure speculation and science fiction. We can hardly imagine a civilization that can use several star systems. Such an extremely advanced, intelligent creature can design a structure as large as the entire solar system and can change the shape of the star system to create different forms of the universe, in a way bending, twisting, or tearing the structure of space to create a portal to cross the universe. However, compared to humans, these creatures exist in our imagination as gods. This is the Galaxy Exploration Team. I am the captain. In the next video, the captain will continue to lead everyone on a journey of exploration full of challenges and miracles.